SpamTitan Email Security is an advanced email protection solution that blocks phishing, ransomware, and malicious email threats. SpamTitan offers protection against malware, spear phishing, advanced persistent threats or APTs, offering insights into new threats to help mitigate risks. The series is divided into 4 parts: account activation, download and installation, using the Addin, anti-spam portal user guide. This is the second video of EasyNode's anti-spam tutorial series. In this video, I will walk you through the complete installation process of the Outlook add-in. If you're ready, let's begin. Download the STOA install file. The SpamTitan Outlook add-in setup wizard window displays. Click Next. Check I agree in the license agreement window when you have reviewed the license and click Next. Click Next in the release notes window. The SpamTitan Configuration window displays. Enter the following. Click Next. Click Next. Click Close when the installation complete window displays. That sums up our video tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you next time!